ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 2, Episode 37, and in this episode we're going to answer the question, what are the parts of the atom? Does anybody know? Anyone want to take a guess? Anyone want to try? Anyone? Anyone? Alright, let me go ahead and answer that question. So what are the parts of the atom? Now, as you remember in our previous video, we talked about what an atom was, how it's that smallest unit of matter. But guess what? There are parts to even that thing, that atom, which is pretty cool. So what are those parts? Well, the parts are as follows: the proton, the neutron, and the electron. These parts are what are referred to as the subatomic components. What that means is that being those things smaller than or occurring within the atom. Now you can imagine what it must have been like when those people discovered them for the first time. That's pretty cool, thinking, wow, there's something smaller than an atom? That must have really been mind-blowing. Now in the following videos, following this one, we're going to briefly explain each of those parts. We're going to talk about protons, we're going to talk about neutrons, and we're going to talk about electrons. Pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Our fun science fact of the day should really get you thinking. Sorry, just not a good fun. Okay, get this. The animal with the largest brain in relation to its body, in other words, ratio-wise, is the ant. The ant actually has the largest brain in relation to its body. In other words, how big its brain is amazing. That's wow. And think about it, ants, it's hard to really even show visually how small those creatures are. And it's pretty amazing to think about what they can do. So you can tell they're not ignorant. I mean, they can't do things we can, but still, for a creature that small, it's pretty amazing to watch them do what they do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question at the end of the video, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.